Oh god! Good news! Hello guys, this is TianChad here. So today I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 in front of you. So as you can see, the real Note 9 will have the S Pen logo in front, and it will change according to the color of your phone that you choose. And of course there will be a wording here, Samsung Galaxy Note 9 here. So without further ado, let's do a quick unbox, pack it, just crop it here, and then let's see. Okay, in focus. Here you go. Da-da-da, da-da-da. Okay, before I open it, I just want to show you the spec of what I've got. It's actually a 128GB Samsung Galaxy Note 9 with all the specs here, and you can refer it soon. But now let's see what's inside the box. After cut, you can just open from the side. And I shall show you first, without further ado. Cha-ching! Can you see anything? Okay, no, nothing yet. Then here you go. Pull it up, and you're able to see your phone. Right here. And you can pull from the side to review your phone. So this is how your Note 9 is gonna look like. For me, this one is the midnight black, so it's all black, and you can't see much difference from the Note 8 because same color, unless you compare straight away at the camera here and the sensor, which is, I quite like it, the new location for the fingerprint sensor, because sometimes for people who have a shorter finger, they don't need to go all the way up to scan their finger anymore. They can just do this here. And two camera, and one more is with dual aperture f1.5 for low light. And of course, now let's review the S Pen. S Pen will be here. Just pull it out. It's a black color for midnight black, but if you're getting the blue, you'll notice that your pen is so much colorful than this one. Just go and check out other video. And here, the battery is 4000 mAh and is suggested for full day usage, and it has a stereo speaker tuned by AKG. Talking about stereo speaker, let's go and check in what's more is inside the box. Here, as usual, the adapter, power adapter, and here all the other adapter, and what else? Earphone, AKG earphone here. So you don't need to buy this earphone anymore, because for high-end earphone like this, it will cost around 400 ringgit Malaysia, and it's already inclusive into your Note 9. And of course the cable and the pin to change your S Pen head. Okay, I guess that's all for the Note box unboxing, and I shall slowly peel this off because I would like to start using it now. There you go. Whoops, you were able to see the behind the scene of how I record this video, but anyhow, just peel it off, and I should start. Switch it on. Okay, there you go. I almost forgot about the manual. So here's the manual here. Inside, that's your SIM card pin, and manual right in here. Oh god! Good news! This time, they already includes a casing, so you don't need to worry about buying a new casing for your Note, which is really good because I don't want to have any scratches on this beautiful Note 9 here. Check it out, all black. And now with the casing, I can start to use it now. Oh yeah! But I think I'm going to get the screen protector soon because I don't want to have any scratches on it, just for prevention, although it's already using the Gorilla 5 Glass. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I know it's a bit messy here, but this is the most important thing here, and I'm going to set it up and try to use it right now. And after I use for a few days or a long-term period, I'll show you what's the quality and how it looks like as a mobile phone, smartphone camera. Stay tuned for my next video about Samsung Galaxy Note 9. TianChad here. Don't forget to subscribe or give a comment or like. And do feel free to check out other unboxing video because mine is just the black color, but the more exciting one is the one in blue, and the pen color is very different. So go check it out. So see you guys in my next video and stay tuned. I'll see you in New York.